So why is it even important to hit low to high? Well, first of all, hitting low to high gives the ball top spin. So it basically makes the ball spin forward. So what does this help with? Well, first of all, hitting with top spin from here helps to clear the net. At the same time, this top spin keeps the ball in the court, but at the same time, it goes pretty deep in the court. So why is it important for the ball to go deep in the court? Well, it pushes your opponent back. So this puts you in an attacking position. So from there, you keep attacking, they're all the way back, and from there you can eventually hit a winner, or something like that. Let me show you an example. But the point is, getting that top spin compared to flat shot helps you because it gives you a bigger margin of error. So the ball will bounce higher above the net, it will stay in the court, and it will even push your opponent back. Technically, a flat shot like this, it's not a bad thing, it's just more risky because this gives you a margin of error of about this much on the net. So if you hit a little bit higher above the net and you go flat, it's going to go out like an arrow. And same thing with the net. If you hit it too low, you're going to hit the ball in the net. This is one of the most important things to keep in mind when you're learning your forehand. This low to high motion, over time it becomes natural, and over time this top spin, you'll see the top spin in your shot. And this will help you become a more consistent player.